what's up? It's me, Ro Jones. And of course, we have the sage burning because we always want to invite in the positive vibes and a good energy. And love, too. Can't forget about love. I'm going to blow some to you at home. Happy holidays! So in today's video, we're going to talk about dating during quarantine. Dun, dun, dun. So my first point is that dating during quarantine, people are more prone to actually use dating apps. Like some people be like, oh, I'm too cool. I ain't about to be on no dating app. Like what? Like, that's for weirdos and creeps. But no, there has definitely been an increase and an upkick in people signing up for dating apps and meeting people that they otherwise wouldn't meet because clearly everyone's in the house because we on lockdown and trying to do this again, and I'm just over it. Like we need this to be over. Like when? Like now. So people are using dating apps like Tinder. Of course, Tinder. Tinder is mostly if you're just trying to hit the skins, if you ask me, but to each his own. Tinder, Bumble, Christian Mingle for all my religious folks out there. And Facebook dating is now become a thing. Of course, people be sliding in the DMs on Instagram. We already know how that go. So my second point is that I feel like it actually makes you connect on a deeper level because you can't really go outside that much. So you have no choice but to talk and to FaceTime and to really get to know a person on a level that you otherwise wouldn't, because usually people are attracted to the physical, which is true. I mean, I'm a little bit shallow, but don't judge me. So when you meet people on these apps, or you just meeting people on internet and meeting people on the internet in general, you actually have no choice but to really get to know who they are. I mean, you know, people do be doing freaky deaky stuff on FaceTime, but that's another topic for another day. But y'all get what I'm saying, right? You really have to get to know a person. And I think that's kind of good because when you talk to a person, you have no choice but to communicate, and you start to ask deep questions. And I'm real deep. I'll be like, so when was the last time you cried? What's up? I want to know. I'm trying to get to know the real deal Holyfield. My next point is people are finding more creative ways to date. Literally, I've been on a date in Whole Foods. I'm telling my business. But everything is closed. Like they have like all of these what is it called, like the parklets? I think that's what it's called. Yeah, like the outside, like dining outside on the street. And now it's snowing. People in New York City got the nerve to be sitting outside in the goddamn snow with snorkels on, drinking mimosas and having brunch. I was out there the other day like, what the hell is going on? Anyways, for the most part, if you want to meet up with somebody that you met online, you have to be creative. Like someone else told me that they met somebody in Home Depot. I was like, Home Depot? Like, what the hell was y'all picking out? Wood? Like, I don't know, but I don't judge. So my Whole Food date, we kind of just, we talked, we cruised down the aisles. I picked out some things that I needed, some essential items and vitamins, because I'm like a health nut / hypochondriac. Don't tell nobody. So, some people have altered their standards a bit when it comes to dating. I think this is like point number 4 or 5, because you have to kind of ease up a little bit when it seems like the pickings are slim. Is that a saying? The pickings are slim? The pickings are slim. I don't know. Y'all know what I mean. Like, you don't got that many options, as many options as if when you were like going out, like people go to the club or the library or a bookstore, or just being able to be out in the world and do your daily activities. Of course, you're bound to bump into people. So when you have to meet them online, or when you have to just you kind of ease up a little bit. Like maybe you're like a guy that's 6'5", and maybe if it's 5'11" or 6 feet, then you kind of compromise a little bit. Or you want someone that, I don't know. I don't know. Let me not even try to pull things out the hat, because I don't know. But y'all get what I'm saying. People tend to compromise a little bit more during the quarantine because everybody's lonely. Sitting on the couch, doing, I don't know what the hell people do around their house, but y'all get where I'm coming from. My last point is that people have been known during these times to go back to their exes, even if they ain't no good and you should not go back to the past. People have been doing that because it's not the easiest to meet somebody new during a pandemic when you can't really go outside. And a lot of people aren't that creative as me, you know, with the whole food thing. And a lot of people just don't have the personality. Did that come off bad? I don't know, but y'all feel where I'm coming from. Us over here, y'all know me. But yeah, so everyone just wants companionship. Like, people just want someone that they could talk to, and it's a bit easier sometimes to go back to something that you're familiar with. It's not always recommended. I don't always recommend that, but to each his own. Do whatever is going to float your boat and whatever is going to make you happy and whatever is going to help you get through these difficult times. And you know, a lot of people have been losing loved ones. A lot of people, especially like experiencing this during the holidays. Like, some people actually go out during the holidays so that they don't feel so bad about the fact that they don't have anyone to spend it with. Anyways, don't be afraid to get out there, put yourself out there, make them profiles, make sure you smile. Oh, well, maybe I'll do another video saying how to properly do online dating. I think that could be fun, right? Let me know in the comments what y'all think about that. But absolutely, put yourself out there, put your best foot forward, be sure to smile, and let your personality shine. And don't be all desperate and stuff. Like, whatever's supposed to come to you is gonna come to you. Just be that evolved version of yourself. Be the type of person that you would be attracted to. That is the key. Work on yourself. You're the prize. Period. Ping. I love y'all. I hope that this video finds you in good spirits. Stay safe, sanitize, and safe. Practice safe, SEX, if you're going to be, you know, hitting the skins with somebody. Okay? Because there's a lot of quarantine babies going around. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.